Hello and welcome. If you're in the maintenance or operations field, then you're in the right place. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep, and we're about to explore the fascinating world of maintenance and reliability in this episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. Today we're going to take a close look at how one expert transformed maintenance teams from perceived villains to superheroes within their organizations. You're going to learn about the reliability maximizer model and how it can revolutionize your team's efficiency and productivity. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss this. Today, we're thrilled to have Simon Murray, the founder of Your Maintenance Coach, sharing invaluable insights from his extensive experience in the field. Simon's journey began with a traditional background in mechanical engineering, leading him to work in various manufacturing settings, from air conditioners to beer taps. His real passion, however, lies in optimizing processes and systems to enhance efficiency and reduce waste. Simon's pivotal career moment came when he transitioned to a maintenance manager role at Boral Bricks. Faced with a 35-year-old plant operating at about 50% uptime, Simon implemented what he calls the daily disciplines, focusing on immediate incremental improvements rather than seeking a silver bullet. This approach significantly improved the plant's uptime to 75% and fostered a highly engaged team. The cornerstone of Simon's philosophy is his reliability maximizer model, which rests on three core pillars: engaging the maintenance team, systemizing processes, and delivering outstanding service to internal customers. This model has transformed maintenance teams from perceived villains to superheroes within their organizations, shifting the focus from blame to collaboration and respect. Simon emphasizes the importance of daily discipline and consistent action over searching for elusive quick fixes. He advocates for a strong partnership between maintenance and operations teams to avoid misalignments and ensure both teams are aligned towards common goals. One of Simon's most memorable projects involved a timber mill in a small town where he was able to implement his strategies full-time over 3 months. By redefining the team's vision, optimizing daily meetings, and streamlining the planning and scheduling process, Simon helped the mill see significant improvements in uptime and efficiency, which had a profound impact on the community. In closing, Simon shares a powerful message for leaders in the maintenance and reliability industry. The return on investment in reliability programs may not be immediately apparent in reduced costs, but rather in enhanced overall productivity and efficiency. He challenges leaders to recognize and support the long-term benefits of these programs to truly elevate their teams and operations. Thank you for joining us today. We've covered the reliability maximizer model, the importance of daily discipline and consistent action, and the power of a strong partnership between maintenance and operations teams. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more information about our tools and resources, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.